surgeon and author of Treat It, Beat It, and Move On, Dr. April Spencer. Dr. Spencer, so great to see you.
Oh, you as well.
I mean, your title is it really does provoke an optimism.
Yeah. So we've got to start raising our action.
Beat it and move on. Beat it and move on. Treat it, beat it, and move on.
Treat it, beat it, and then I am moving on.
She's so
I
awesome.
got a lot of living still to do.
Yes.